Surge in Delta variant cases is affecting hospitals all across the Northeast. This despite the top 5 states with the highest vaccination rates, all being in New England. I mean, more than 60%, sometimes as much as nearly 70% vaccination rates there. National correspondent Paul Gerke live in New York City with details on this particular surge. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Adrian. Bottom line here is that more people need to be vaccinated. Despite high vaccination rates in the states you mentioned in the Northeast, the Delta variant is still finding a way to cause havoc here. But nearly all the severe cases are amongst the unvaccinated population, especially the deaths. According to the White House, there are still some 70 million eligible American adults who have not received a shot yet. We saw Delta tear through the South this summer, and now that wave is reaching the Northeast. It just shows how dangerous Delta is and how quickly it can spread, despite the number of vaccinated people in the population. For example, cases out in Vermont right now are at their highest they've been this entire pandemic. The head of the UMass Memorial Health System says they've seen 20 times more COVID patients than they did in June. They have few ICU beds to spare, if any. I just looked it up this morning. They're at 91% capacity. And as staff shortages caused by vaccine mandates start to present themselves, physicians are having to send patients farther and farther away for care. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky is re-emphasizing the need to get the jab. Not soon, not eventually, right now.
Vaccination is our best defense against COVID-19. We have the scientific tools needed to put an end to this pandemic. We have the science that proves these vaccines are safe and remain effective. And I am confident that we can come together and protect ourselves and our communities from COVID-19.
The United States eclipsed 700,000 COVID deaths on Friday. Florida and Texas have the largest amount of most recent fatalities. We do have some reasons to be hopeful, though, Adrian. Hope is sort of the ethos of the show. Former FDA Director Scott Gottlieb says this Delta surge is probably the last major surge of the pandemic. And if you were watching us on Friday, we had the breaking news of the new Merck antiviral pill. It'll take a few months as it seeks approval from the FDA and CDC. But once that's available, we have another tool in our toolkit to help combat this pandemic. Adrian?
Paul, thank you for bringing us something good to cheer about.